Nowadays, we're constantly hearing about ways to save money. Switch your phone service provider, shop this brand instead of that, make your purchases around this holiday. Folks are just inundated with supposed ways to save. This is even true in the industry of insurance. Car owners in particular hear all about switching and saving, and while it's not our style at Sidle Insurance to push cost over being properly covered, we do understand the importance of not breaking the bank. So here are 4 ways that we think car owners may be able to save a little bit of money. Number 1, maintain a good driving record. It goes without saying that disobeying traffic laws can sometimes result in fines, but tickets and accidents can affect your bottom line in other ways too. Not only might you have to pay a fine if you receive a ticket, but violations and accidents can influence the cost of your car insurance as well, sometimes significantly. If you make a habit out of racking up violations and accidents, or incur a serious infraction such as a DUI, you can probably expect your rates to jump, at least for a few years until the violations fall off. In some cases, you may even get non-renewed by your insurance company, and you may struggle to find insurance elsewhere. This may sound unfair, but it makes sense that insurance companies would view a driver with troubling driving history as a risk to insure. It's best to follow the rules of the road and do your best to drive with caution and care. Number 2, take a defensive driving course. For a small fee, you can take a New York State-approved defensive driving course. The course can qualify you for a 3-year 10% discount in the base rate of your liability, no fault, and collision insurance coverages for the vehicle assigned to you on your policy. And if you have other drivers assigned to different vehicles on your policy, they can take the course too and make that discount stretch even further. Trading a few hours now for 3 years of savings is a pretty good deal, and saving money isn't the only benefit either. The New York State Defensive Driving class can reduce up to 4 points from your driving record. So if your driving record isn't exactly squeaky clean, this course might be for you. There is no final exam, the course is relatively short, and offers a flexible schedule. You can get started on the course by going to our website, sidleinsurance.com, and selecting the Defensive Driving Course menu item underneath the Resources tab. Number 3, work with an independent insurance agent. All this talk about insurance leads us into our next tip. Working with an independent insurance agent can have numerous perks, including having the flexibility and expertise to be able to pair you with the right company for a fair price. Going directly through a company or comparing captive agents who offer insurance from only one carrier are not only more work for you, but also limit your options. These options may not have the best rate and coverage for you. You could save money, or at the very least, time and effort, by dealing with a trusted independent insurance agent instead. At Sidle Insurance, we work with dozens of companies to provide fairly priced insurance coverage for both personal and business clients. Number 4, take care of your vehicle. You've likely heard the phrase, you get out what you put in. The sentiment applies to your vehicle more often than not, and this is something that gets surprisingly overlooked. Regularly having your vehicle serviced when needed can prevent more serious issues occurring in the future. Those potentially avoidable problems can be much more costly than regular maintenance and care. Changing your oil, rotating tires, and checking fluid levels help keep your car running smoothly. If something does go wrong with your vehicle, it's best not to wait to give it the proper attention. While we're on the subject of repairs, you may want to consider purchasing a vehicle service contract. Investing in a vehicle service contract can help you be prepared for the unexpected and avoid sustaining large, out-of-pocket repair costs for your vehicle. While auto insurance can provide coverage in the event of an accident, vehicle service contracts may cover expensive parts and labor costs in the event of a covered breakdown of your vehicle. You can get a free vehicle service contract quote through our website. Just go to sidleinsurance.com and click on the Vehicle Service Contract button. We hope that these tips and suggestions help you find ways to save, without sacrificing quality coverage and service. If you have insurance questions or needs, feel free to reach out to Sidle Insurance by calling 607-535-6501 or visit our website at sidleinsurance.com.